Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good with great health at your home. So, this is your chapter number 1, cells, tissues and organs. As you all know that rest of the topics you students have been covered. So the last topic is microscope. So we will discuss this topic in our video lecture. So let's start the lecture. Here on the right of your screen, you can see a very primitive microscope. Why we call as a primitive microscope, iron or a steel body uh, with a wooden foot on it. This is basically called a very primitive or ancient microscope because this microscope was first invented in 16th century by a scientist Galileo Galilei. The invention was necessary at that time because at that time there were no instruments which they can use in order to see a very little microorganism. Also, most of the human infections are caused by the microorganism. So, in order to identify which organism is involved in as a causative agent in human body, so there was a need to discover or invent a device which can see little or minute creature which we can't see our naked eyes. So that's why microscope was invented. Here you can see that it is an optical or a light microscope which is used for viewing very small objects such as mineral samples or animal or plant cells, typically magnified several hundred times. These are the lenses. This is the objective piece. Here you can place your eye. This is the arm, the coarse adjustment screw, the fine adjustment screw, a mirror or a stage on which you can place your slide. That slide which contain a specimen of any microorganism. Working of light microscope, the glass lens, which I have told you in a previous slide that the glass lens in a light microscope bends light waves in a way that makes an object look bigger. An optical or light microscope also uses several magnifying lenses fixed into a tube to make things look bigger. So, what is the magnification of light microscope? Light microscope can magnify up to 100 times. It can uses 3 different type of lenses of different magnification, which is 40 times, 60 times, and 100 times of power to magnify the image. Here you can see a ray diagram in which your eye can see a bigger image of your smallest object which can be placed at the stage on a slide, and you can see with different magnification lenses in the optical microscope. So the image is generated here and you can see the image of your object which is placed here. This is the mirror which condenses or bends all the light which is coming in this direction, and you can see your image in this way. We have 2 types of microscope, a light microscope we have studied, and the electron microscope, which will study through this diagram. This is the diagram depicts the visual of electron microscope. Why we called it a electron microscope? Because electron microscope uses the beam of an electron instead of light. We all know that the electron is a subatomic particle of atom which revolves around the orbit, or which revolves in the orbit around the nucleus. It can magnify objects 1,000,000 times or more than light microscope. It produces a picture of an object on a screen in a similar way to a TV or computer monitor. Basically, student, This electron microscope is connected with a computer monitor so that when you place your sample here, you can see the image of your sample on the screen of the computer. The computer is not attached here and you can't see the computer because in this diagram only the electron microscope is showing here. But yes, electron microscope are always work along with the computer screen. It has allowed scientists to see those invisible objects which were not visible through light microscope. Means those microscope which we can't see by using light microscope, we can see that microscope through the electron microscope. Means it can magnify million times than light microscope. So here we have a short difference between electron and light microscope. It's like a revision for you that a light microscope uses magnifying lenses to make things look bigger, but electron microscope, as I told you, that it uses a beam of electron instead of light. Light microscope magnify objects more than 100 times, but electron microscope magnify objects more than million times. Our eyes can see image through eyepiece. Image is shown on computer screen. Where is the eyepiece? This is the eyepiece from where we can see the image of our object, but in the electron microscope, a computer screen is attached along with the electron microscope and the image is formed on the screen of computer. So it is the last topic from your first chapter, which is cell, tissue and organ. Allah Hafiz.